Okay. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Very good morning. Okay, I'm giving you another scenario. Your line manager asking you to do a report. All right. How long would you take to finish a report? I give you one example. You are about to ask for a sponsorship from ministry or whatever it is, and you ask some money. Okay. I would like to know how many of you would take 5 minutes to do that task? Any of you? All right, I'll increase it. 6 to 15 minutes? Nobody. Oh my God, that's very terrible. Okay, 30 minutes. You think you can finish the task? No. What is happening here? Right? Okay, let's say 30 to 1 hour. Hopefully, okay, you can do the task. All right, that's fine. That's the reason you are here. I believe some of you are I'm very familiar with your faces. I believe you already attended my previous course somewhere else, right? Yeah. So I believe this is something interesting. Okay. I'm here to assist you to see the magical power of artificial intelligence. I can prove to you that we can do this in less than 1 minute. All right? But you need to know how the tricks. You need to know how to handle all the situations. If I don't fulfill my promise, you get a lunch free on me. All right? All right. So I'm Izani. Okay. I've been actively training people in artificial intelligence since a couple of months ago. But I was previously an academic and a designer, so also in the creative industry as well. All right. So my backgrounds, I've been traveling, I've been teaching. Okay. At the end of this course, okay, this course mainly focusing on how to leverage your skills in deploying artificial intelligence in everyday tasks, okay, in daily tasks. I have two objectives here, okay, to teach you how to effectively use these methods, and also I will demonstrate to you how I achieve this within a couple of seconds. All right, it doesn't sound logical, but let's see. All right, so I will just show you one example here. Okay, how actually this thing works. Right. So imagine that in 2021, okay, this is the internet. Okay, so the internet, the contents of all the internet has been collected. All right, and has been enhanced with the algorithm under AI. So it's been trained. So you as a user, you can have a natural conversation with these applications. All right. So GPT is generative pre-trained transformer. Is a very technical term for those in AI. But the one of the popular one today is the ChatGPT. This is one of the products. It's like it's like toothpaste, okay? When people mention Colgate, all right, it's Colgate. But there are so many brands there. Okay, so now, the best part, whatever you ask, they will give you an answer. Why? Your conversations, your email, sorry to say, your forum, your chat, your message, everything is collected here. All right? We have billions of information here. Whatever you ask, they can talk to you. But the lesser information they have, they start to give some kind of not very good answer, right? Because the data is, everything is precious. Okay, so what I want to show you here is these tools. This is one of the GPT technology, all right? It's supposed to have sounds. Welcome. Oh. What's it? What is it? Madam. Oh, thank you. Okay. You start with the okay. Make it bigger. Okay, that's fine. Okay. So what you're going to see here, this is technology of GPT has been launched. Copilot is called by Microsoft last month. Okay. Imagine that you're giving all the instructions and the AI will do everything for you. Okay? this is what's happening in the world now. PowerPoint, Excel, emails, paperwork, report, everything done within seconds. So this is a magical part of this technology. 10 slides within a couple of seconds, you give the context, boom, everything is there. Right? So you don't have to go one by one, copy paste, and all those kind of things. Okay, I'm not going to show the whole thing because I have more things which is more important. Alright, so okay, how it works, I think I already mentioned to you just now. And the requirements, alright, you need to have a PC, laptop, or mobile phone, internet browser definitely because you communicate in real time, and the site which is chat.openai.com/chat. Okay, this is the one that you can use for free. Okay, here, if you see here is this is just, I can say, 1% of the technology. Every week the new technology of application comes in. We're talking about text to music, text to audio, text to voice, text to many things. All right. So it's very scary, honestly. If you can misuse this, definitely. You can create a deepfake. You can create a fake voice as well. So that is the thing. Okay. So now come the demo sessions. This is where the part I asked you to do email asking for sponsorships. Okay, I'm not sure you can see very well, but I think I'm trying to, because this would be good to see from a bigger view. Okay.
Maybe you can go to YouTube.
Yeah, it's YouTube. So I think I will open directly from the YouTube. Okay, so what you're going to see here, I made a progress of the task, and you can see how fast I can generate this. Okay, the first thing that you need to know is how to instruct AI to give a good feedback. Okay, this is what we call prompt. Okay, in this kind of term we call it prompt, set of instructions. But how good you create your prompt is very important. Okay, so
What's the name of it?
it's embedded in that. Okay, so if you look carefully, here, the first thing you need to know how to give it instruction, and it will not work that way. No, because that is my own thing which I embedded here. So if we can go to the okay, so can we open here? Yes. Sorry for that. Yes. Okay, so you see here. So this is the thing that I'm going to show you. I say suggest 3 engaging name, okay, for my training, for my workshops. Okay, then ChatGPT workshop. Okay, so this is where the part which is very important. Make it simple. Okay, bullet point. So make it catchy. So I come up with chatbot building bootcamp, AI chatting 101. So this is what generated by AI. If you ask more, they will give you more. Okay. So listen bullet point. Okay, 3 simple objectives. Anybody here can use this for your own training, right? Give them a contact, give them a brief, detailed instruction. Okay, make it simple and brief and rewrite. So because this is too long, I ask, okay, make it simple. Imagine that you're talking to the bots, the robots. Okay, so write about advantages and disadvantages of it. Okay, so I can make anything that you wanted to know from here. Okay, they will give all these things, but to me this is long, so I don't want it to be this lengthy explanation, make it in tables, okay? I ask again. You can keep asking and asking until you get the desired result, alright? So this is to me, alright, this is still too long. I ask again until 3 times, okay? So rewrite into column, because I want to see in table form. So count your table here. You just copy paste in your whatever presentation, report, and so on. Okay? So this training, I'm going to create agenda, planning. Okay? I believe all you need these things. Okay? So I make it 9 to 4 p.m. Whatever it is. We have tea break. We have whatever you want to do. Okay, includes a lunch and so on. Okay? Boom. You will get just a couple of seconds. You will get all these things. Right? So this is the magical part. Imagine how you're going to plan your daily workshop if you do it one by one, step by step. Okay, now the part, the last part. Okay, I have to make an advertisement for this for the Facebook. All right, because I'm going to put on Facebook and I make it engaging. So all of this part actually is very important because they need to understand what actually you want to achieve. All right. So this is the advertisement, and so the next thing is write an email. So this is the part where I ask you to do that first. Okay. So write an email to ministry. Okay. So I'll just think. We just go forward. Okay. So I just make it. All right. I ask 5,000 from the ministry and sponsorship and so on. Then we just enter, okay? Alright, so this is my email. If you look carefully, okay, this is it's not very clear, okay? You will get just a couple of seconds. So attending my workshop definitely will give you some idea on how to achieve, to master all these things. So any question and answer? Yes. Yeah.
Did he make mistake?
Yes, because it is trained model. Everything, grammar so far perfect because grammar, English is the global language and it's trained very well. But information, yes, you have to be careful. And yes, yes.
You showed the demo, you type in something, you reply back, right? What is the site name?
Oh, I already gave you the first slide. Yeah, chat.openai.com.
So just go in and
then log in using your Google.
Yeah. Okay. The other question is, apart from writing down the price, what about capable of creating logos?
Okay, that is the next question, which is already there, but they still don't release that one. But you can go to other tools available online.
What about AGM meetings?
Copilot has that capacity. They can record your minute meeting. We have a meeting in the team, and then everything is. No, we don't need to keep. They will trace our voice, but I think English is the best. Yeah.
So we have our own format. We need to specifically tell like
No, we are talking about annual meeting. Yeah, no need because they will understand you're in the meeting. It's a general meeting.
Alright, is there yeah,
No,
the question
I assume that you use
offline
Team Microsoft Teams for now.